Hi, it's Mary from Big Ben Grams team. I'll show you how to get thousands of impressions to your post using our artificial intelligence hashtag generator. Go to bigbengram.com, click hashtag generator, and here it is. As you see, you can find hashtags by keywords, uploaded photo, and a link. Let's see how to do it by keywords. Click Generate by keyword, enter a couple of words that describe your post, like Paris, travel, France, champagne, and click Generate. You get all the relevant hashtags. They are grouped by popularity into frequent, average, and rare. What does it mean? Frequent are the most popular hashtags that are widely used. There you can see how many posts with this hashtag are on Instagram. Average are less popular tags, and rare tags are more of niche tags. We advise our clients to use 2 popular hashtags, 8 average hashtags, and around 12 rare hashtags. I know it's tempting to use only popular hashtags to become popular, but that's the wrong approach. That is why. Let's analyze the most popular hashtag Travelgram as an example. The first thing you see is the number of posts per day, which is huge, and the hashtag difficulty, the score which defines how hard it will be for you to make your post really visible. Here it's 92 out of 100, which means it will be almost impossible to get to the top posts. Then you can see the dynamics of publications per day. It's stably high. That means the competition is too severe. That's why I recommend focusing on less popular and rare hashtags. We go back and choose those hashtags that we like most. Let's choose Travelholic and Parisian from the first column, around 9 hashtags from the second, and around 10 rare hashtags. All the chosen hashtags will appear in a small window on the left side. Click Add Space to hide your hashtags and click Copy. It's an equally convenient tool both for desktop and phone, so you won't face any difficulties adding your hashtags to the post. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this guide. If you need any help, feel free to contact our support team.